Seth Jarvis has control. Deeper it goes for Noesen. Noesen has Kotkaniemi in front. He scores! Jesperi Kotaniemi on the doorstep. 14:05 left to go in regulation. It's a new ball game.
Or using that area in behind the net. Noesen does a nice job of protecting the puck, and then Kotkaniemi finds that puck. You see where Joey's looking. Watch him take a look over his right shoulder. You think he's going the other way, and the puck comes back this way. And all of a sudden, it is a 4-3 game. And it is all Carolina right now.